So it's currently the 6th of January and we already have 2019 iPhone leaks. And I'm down.
If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
What is going on, guys? Apple World here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Welcome to the Apple World family. We do daily Apple videos here. So I mean, if you love Apple, if you have the iPhone, if you love anything related to the Apple world, I won't say it, but actually, I'll just say it. Just hit this button right here. All right, now for real, let's get started. All right, so the prototype render of the iPhone 11, or should we call it the 2019 iPhone, has officially been leaked by OnLeaks. And you might be asking, well, who the heck is OnLeaks? Well, I don't know if you guys remember, here it is. I don't know if you guys remember, but OnLeaks was actually the one who actually leaked the 2018 iPad Pro, and he was actually right. So, I mean, OnLeaks isn't just OnLeaks. OnLeaks is OnLeaks, and they actually leaked this guy. So they're a big deal. And they officially leaked the 2019 iPhone, supposedly. Well, we're gonna go ahead and discuss it. I honestly believe it. I honestly believe it's an option that Apple is definitely considering, but I definitely don't believe Apple is going to go this way because in my opinion, I just don't like the way this looks. So here's the prototype render from OnLeaks, and as I said, I just don't like it at all. It's got a huge camera bump. The cameras are just, in my opinion, positioned randomly. It just doesn't feel finished at all. I mean, it's just all placed randomly. The flash is somewhere, and then the three cameras are just placed like boom, 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 like no. I mean, people already hated the camera bump on the iPhone 10 and on the iPhone 10s. And now, in 2018, Apple wants Apple doesn't even want to add a camera bump. Apple wants to add a huge camera bump, and people are not going to like this at all. Of course, I want to hear your opinions in the comments down below. You guys want a camera bump? You guys don't care? You guys really care? I honestly don't really care. I feel like it's not that big of a deal like people are making it seem, but of course I'd like it more flat. I feel like a flat phone looks more minimalistic, and that's what Apple clearly wants to go. So yeah, if Apple removed the camera bump, I would totally be down for it. But if not, it's not a big one for me. 3 cameras are expected to come on the iPhone 11, or once again the iPhone 2019. This would help a lot with lighting, even though, yeah, Apple, I get it, the more cameras the better, but look at what Google is doing. Look what Google is doing with the Google Pixel 3. Google only has one camera, and look what they're doing with only one camera. In my opinion, one camera looks way better than this render, for example, or than 2 cameras. I definitely like one. It just looks more minimal. And once again, Apple's always going minimal. So if you could fit the camera that you want, like the camera of your dreams, in one camera instead of dual lens or 3 lens like this crazy render, I prefer this. The 2019 iPhone is rumored to come with a smaller notch, which I'm really, really down for. I hate the notch, not only on the iPhone, I just simply hate notches. I kind of like what OnePlus did. They did like an eyedrop notch. I guess that's what it's called. And I really like it. It's small and minimal. I just hate notches. I wish we could just push them away. But of course, we have Face ID and we need a camera front facing. So there's a bunch of companies doing it differently. But I guess the one that I like the most is what OnePlus did. You need a notch, so I guess if you have to put it, make it small. That's what OnePlus believes. But yeah, hopefully Apple with the iPhone 10s, Apple heard us as the consumers, and hopefully Apple will add a smaller notch on the iPhone 11. What's also rumored to happen is USB-C. You guys know that I love USB-C. I have my USB-C iPad, I've got my USB-C Nintendo Switch, I've got my USB-C headphones, I've got so many USB-C things, and I just wish I could just go to a trip and only bring one cable. That's my dream. I mean, everything wireless would be my dream, but USB-C, I guess, is this future, and then wireless, everything wireless is like the next future. So USB-C now, and then we can go wireless. Or let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys prefer, wireless or USB-C? Because in my opinion, wireless charging is just not ready yet. Sure, fast charging, wireless charging charges up pretty fast, but USB-C charges even faster than wireless charging. So I want to know your thoughts on that as well. I like both options, but once again, wireless charging sounds awesome, but let's say you're in bed and you want to use your phone and your phone's out of battery. You can't use it because, I mean, you technically could, but you know, you'd be with like your wireless charger. It'd be really uncomfortable. So USB-C, I'm down with USB-C. Apple, please don't continue with the lightning port. It's either you go all wireless or USB-C. I don't think they're gonna go full on wireless because right now, how the stock is going, Apple shouldn't risk it a lot more. I mean, they can definitely risk because Apple is a company that always take risks, but removing all ports is a really risky move. I'm down for it, but I know 80% of the world is not down for it. The second generation Face ID is also rumored to come, and the A13 Bionic. Sure, I guess we can have a faster phone. It's like every year, sure, we get a faster phone. It's not the most exciting feature, but we got a faster phone. Also, this is kind of a crazy rumor, but I also want to know your thoughts. I love hearing your thoughts, by the way. Touch ID coming to the iPhone. Yes, you heard that right. Touch ID coming back to the iPhone. Would you guys like that? Touch ID, the rumors are saying that it would actually be underneath the display, so we would have second generation Face ID and Touch ID. I'm down for it. I mean, it's not, all of these features are not awesome, except for USB-C. I love USB-C. I'm down for it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section your thoughts. Once again, I love hearing your thoughts. So yeah, peace.